Sunil here from our Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're on a house wash today and it's a double-storey property, so we've already washed up there, as you can see. Hope you can see that. So when we do work on houses, we wash all of the gable line there. Then we'll wash all of that stippled render and then the boards. Yeah, and we wash the external gutter, and then we wash under the eaves and any fascia boards that you might have, and then under the eaves as well, in this case under, above the decking. And then we actually start washing the actual cladding. So whatever your cladding is, it doesn't matter, whether it be weatherboards or whether it be render or whether it be a fake weatherboard or brick, whatever it might be, we can wash that down for you. And then obviously right down to the ground, and in most cases decks are not included, so if you want that you need to request that separately. But then generally what we end up doing is we end up finishing off with an external window clean. As you can see here, when we wash, it does get dirty, the windows, and we don't high pressure the windows at all. On houses we use soft pressure, especially with weatherboards and render. Now, to give you a sense of pressure as well, so you know it's safe, let me show you this. I'll put my hand here. See that? Okay, so we do not high pressure wash homes. That would only create damage, and that's not what we're about. So to give you an idea of what can be achieved, let me just show you here. So it's a pretty amazing result. The paintwork here is really good, but you can see how big an improvement that is, and it's probably been about 2 or 3 years since they've had it washed. You'll find, particularly with homes that have weatherboard style cladding, that under the eaves is where it really gets dirty, because that's obviously where the rain doesn't go and the dust collects and sits there. And the end result is a clean property that reflects light, that feels more spacious, that is more presentable. In this case, the customer is actually selling, so there's a definitive reason for them to actually clean it up. But if you need a quote, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope it's clear now also what's included in the house wash. And if you need us to give you a quote, then give us a bell. Be happy to help. Thanks for watching.